everyone. Tomorrow I will got a photo shoot section at the Galveston Railroad Museum. So I have to bring this gear with me that include my camera backpack, the LED light case, the battery for it, tripod, and some sandbox, and the light and the softbox. So this is not difficult for me to put everything on this car and put in location, but when we got to the first location, we will assembly everything together like this. It's really hard for me when I move from one location to another location. This one is heavy. If we include two sandbags to hold the lines, it's really heavy and difficult to move. Also with the a battery. But I got an idea on YouTube. So I got this one, Milwaukee heavy duty steel shopping cart. This one is extension boom arm and fork clamp from Home Depot. This one I got from the Home Depot, this one from Amazon. I will have the link in the description. If you guys need one, just click the link and then you can get it. I also have the hole and I fit it into here. The reason I need this hole because when we clamp to the cat, the pole will not turn by itself. But I have to cut off a little bit right there. This cut is folding, so it can fold like that. I put one clamp right here so the pole will not go down. Here's it. put a battery in here. I don't need the sandbag anymore. So right now I don't have to worry about how to move from one location to another location. This one, easy to move from one location to another location. The downside of this car, the wheel doesn't have a lock, so you may find something to lock the wheel. And right now, this one don't need anymore. The line modify or the sub box. Just lower it down. And easy to move to another location. How do you think about this setup? Ready to go. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, write down in the comment. I will answer as soon as possible. Thanks a lot for watching.